A 5-year-old boy is now motherless following a horrific murder of his mother, whose body was discovered on Wednesday morning in the lower flat of their home with a 12-inch knife wedged in her throat. The dead woman has been identified as 38-year-old Churumani Tulsi, an accountant of Lot 26 Unity Mahaica, East Coast Demerara. Night 3 News spoke with a woman's sister, Chandrati Prasad, who could not quite say who would want her sister dead. However, she relayed a few months ago her sister had a court matter with an individual who damaged her car and was ordered to compensate her but refused to do such.
They went to court and he had to pay her, but he refused to pay her, and that's the only person that I could think of at hand.
The woman said her 5-year-old nephew witnessed the gruesome murder and related to relatives what transpired.
He said what happened to his mother and how it happened and who did it also.
The grieved woman said her sister was an amazing woman and mother whose world revolved around her son.
Her child was everything for her. She was just a beautiful, beautiful soul. She was such a nice person. Everybody that knows Anita would tell you the same thing.
She added that her sister's personal documents along with an undisclosed sum of cash were missing. The family is pleading with anyone who may have information about her death to go to the police.
I am appealing to you, the public, please help us as a family. Let us get justice for my sister. My sister never do nobody any wrong and she was innocently killed.
Tiana Cole reporting for the HGP Night 3 News.